Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. How can you sound clearer when you're speaking without thinking of each and every sound? I'm going to teach you a strategy today. It's 5 simple things to do to be clear each and every time you speak. This strategy is called the slope strategy, and each letter of the word slope is going to stand for something that you can do to be clear and effective in your communication. I learned this years ago from a colleague. I can't remember which one, but thank you, whoever you are. So let's go through each one and practice them. We're going to start with S, slow enough. Are you speaking slowly enough? Some of my students speak so quickly that I don't have enough time to stop and think about what the person is actually saying. So just make sure that you are speaking slowly enough. Easy breezy. Next is L. Are you speaking loud enough and low enough? In English, our air originates in our lungs and we speak more from our chest. Some other languages speak more with the air originating in the head. It may sound more nasal, more high in pitch. If you think of having the air originate in your chest, and the air is going to be coming all the way from your lungs, it's going to come out and hit your listener, you will be lower and louder. You're not shouting, you're not yelling, you're just being louder because you are projecting your voice. So we have 2 things now, slow enough and low and loud enough. Now, number 3 is O, open and move your mouth enough. So many of my students have a more habitual mouth pattern where your mouth is a little more closed like this. That is because there are fewer vowels in many languages than there are in English. If you have fewer vowels, your mouth doesn't have to move as much. In English, we have many vowels, and so by focusing on opening and moving your mouth more, that is really going to make a huge difference. It is also going to help you say those vowels like the and fantastic. So again, think about opening and moving your mouth. So we have slow enough, low and loud enough, and open and move your mouth more. Moving on to number 4, P, pause. Yes, just stop and pause. Your pauses don't have to be very long. When you start practicing, I recommend really pausing and taking a beat so that you can get used to this new cadence. You can pause between phrases and after sentences. Pausing is a powerful, powerful tool that the best speakers in the world use. So use pausing to your advantage. It will help people stop and process what you're saying, and it will help you to sound more confident. All right, we're on to the last tip, number 5, which is E, and we are going to elongate some vowels and elongate some words in our sentences. By elongating a vowel, that is going to help you have a stressed syllable. In English, we are a stress-timed language, meaning that some syllables get more time in a word and other syllables get less. We do this by making one of the vowels in that word longer. So stretch out one of those vowels in each word. We are also going to choose one word or 2 words in each sentence or phrase, and we are going to highlight that word, and that word is going to be longer, and we are going to elongate it. So let's recap all of those tips. We need to be slow enough, loud and low enough. We need to open and move our mouths more. We need to pause. And we need to elongate vowels in syllables, and words in sentences. I hope these tips were helpful. Give these a try. I know for sure people will notice the difference when you apply these strategies. Let me know what you think about this new form of the lesson in the comments below, and let me know how this works for you. I would love to hear your success stories. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great day.